Hello eco DIY lovers, welcome back to my channel. How to live a more sustainable lifestyle? Here we have lots of green and healthy DIY ideas that are fun and simple to make. We only use affordable and accessible stuff, so relax and here we go. My son's one of favorite activities is making and playing with Play-Doh. Yes, we love making our own Play-Doh. Because making it is fun and messy, you will see in this video. And also, homemade Play-Doh is softer, cheaper, and has less plastic waste than the store-bought stuff. This recipe uses only food-grade ingredients that we have in the kitchen. It's also toxic-free, so it's perfect for young kids' sensory play too. In a cooking pot, stir together baking soda, cornstarch, and salt. Then add the water. Mix all ingredients together. Cook over medium heat, stirring constantly. Using a spatula, continue stirring until the dough has thickened and begins to form. Allow it to cool slightly. When the dough is cool enough to touch, add oil and then knead until smooth. Divide the dough into balls for however many colors you want. Start with a few drops of color and add more to brighten it. Knead until all flour is incorporated and the dough is soft and uniform in color. My one-year-old daughter is more interested in putting the Play-Doh in the box. My 4-year-old son is making Pokemon monsters, and I am making Store the Play-Doh in a zipper bag or an airtight food container. Store room temperature, no need to refrigerate. If stored properly, it will keep soft for up to 3 months. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and set an alarm and support us on this green and healthy DIY journey. Tune in next time for more eco-friendly and healthy DIY ideas. 고맙습니다.